Hey there! In this video tutorial, we're going to cover everything you need to know about the Potion Chrome extension. So first of all, when you're first signing into your Potion account, you'll have this checklist for onboarding, and one of the items is to install that Chrome extension. So we can click here. If you've already been a user of Potion for a little bit but don't have the Chrome extension, you can easily find it in the Chrome extension store. So we're going to go over here, click into the Chrome web store, we're going to click Add to Chrome. We're going to add the extension. And now we've got our Chrome extension all set up, which you can see if you click your little puzzle piece here, it's right here in your list. Next, we'll want to pin that. And what that does is that just enables us to have it appearing right here nicely in the top of the bar so it's easily accessible. Now, with the Chrome extension, the three things that become possible. One is when you click on the Chrome extension, you'll be able to use the screen recording function in Potion. Two, when you're in LinkedIn, you'll see that you've got your Chrome extension right at the bottom, so you can easily record that forward-facing camera video. And then three, same thing for in your Gmail. You'll be able to capture a video right away, right from the draft of your email within your G Suite inbox. For more video tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.